Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you tired of juggling grocery lists and meal planning across scraps of paper, countless apps, or memory alone? Well, today, I'll show you how to streamline your entire food planning process in Notion, using a free shopping list and meal plan template that looks clean, professional, and is super easy to customize for your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a digital hub for organizing meals and shopping all in one place, ready to be tailored to your lifestyle. Let's jump right in. For this demo, we're going to take a huge shortcut, using the free Notion template designed specifically for shopping lists and meal planning. Not only does this save time, but these templates come pre-styled with a polished professional appearance, so you can skip the tedious design phase and focus on making the system your own. First, open your Notion workspace. At the very top left corner of the screen, you'll see a small drop-down menu. This is your gateway to adding all sorts of elements to your workspace. Click it to reveal more options. Now, don't rush here. Notion has lots of features, and it's easy to miss this step if you're new. Take a moment to explore the options so you know what's available for future projects too. Next, select Browse Templates. This is where Notion keeps its library of ready-made frameworks. Think of this like browsing shelves in a bookstore. Each template is a curated page layout designed to save you hours of setup. In the search bar, type Shopping List and Meal Plan. You'll see a collection of templates pop up. Take a little time to look through them. Some templates lean more towards meal planning, while others focus on shopping organization, and some combine both in clever ways. Pick the template that feels right for you. Maybe you want something minimal and streamlined, or maybe you prefer one that's a bit more detailed. Don't worry if you're not sure. Templates can always be tweaked later. Once you find the template you like, just click it and then tap the Add button. This will instantly pull the whole structure into your workspace. It's a bit like building the walls of your new digital kitchen. You have a strong, organized frame to start from. Now, you'll see the templates sections laid out for you. Usually, there's a spot for your grocery items, organized into categories like produce, dairy, dry goods, and so on, plus an area for your meal plans, maybe a calendar-style layout or a weekly grid. Here's your chance to start adding your own credentials and creative touches. Update the shopping list with specific brands you love, favorite stores, or allergy notes. For meal planning, jot down your family's go-to dinners, snacks, or even link recipes right inside Notion with images or web links. If you want the page to feel personal, add custom headers, little icons, or emojis to represent meals. You can attach photos for visual inspiration, or tweak colors for a vibe that motivates you to use the system daily. And remember, all of this can be customized over time. Maybe this first pass is just a starting point. You can rearrange sections, add new columns, or create tags. Notion makes it incredibly flexible. Don't worry if things feel messy or you need to backtrack. Part of the magic of Notion is that nothing is set in stone. You're building a system that grows with your routines. So that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up a gorgeous shopping list and meal plan system that keeps you organized and ahead. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy or smart tutorials to simplify your digital life. Thanks for watching and happy planning.